Ciao studenti, oggi l'ho fatto una roux. Yes, hello students. Today, this video we're going to make is how to prepare or make a roux. And we'll make a blonde roux, and then we'll make a brown roux. Probably out of the same roux. Let's find out. Okay, we'll start by measuring out some of our ingredients. You can see we have a couple ounces of Lano Lake's butter here. Let's go ahead and make 4 ounces of roux. And remember, there's an ounce right in the middle, 2 ounces. An ounce is 2 tablespoons, 2 ounces, 4 tablespoons. This is a 1/4 cup of butter, 2 ounces. Okay, so we need 2 ounces of flour. Here we have some all-purpose. Let's tare the scale so it goes to 0 with whatever's on there, and add some flour just to make 2 ounces. There's an ounce, and there's 2.5. 2 1/4. There's 2 ounces. Oh, next let's get some heat on it. Okay, so you have equal parts of butter and flour by weight. Typically what I'll do, I'll add the ingredients and hold back on a couple teaspoons of that flour. You can always add a little more, but what I don't like is a real dry roux. It's more difficult to cook and stir while it's cooking. And don't get me wrong, you cannot add flour to roux once the flour is cooked. I think I prefer a wooden spoon for this, but I use a stainless steel spoon. It's okay. Okay. I can tell right now I'll be able to add that flour easily. Okay, so you gotten all the flour has been saturated. Again, I think it's pretty obvious. I still have some butter not melted. Pretty obvious I'll be able to add that couple teaspoons of flour that I held back on. Turn the heat down on this slightly. What I wanted you to really note when you're cooking a roux is I'd like you to smell it as soon as the flour and butter are in the pan. Smell it. Okay? What do you smell? You smell flour. Okay? You smell uncooked flour. Now, when flour, excuse me, when you cook flour in butter or clarified butter, in just a short period of time, it takes on a real nice nutty smell. And that's how you know it's cooked enough. Because what we're after is a blonde roux. So we don't want to brown this. You can see there's a little bit of caramelization in the pan already. So we're going to slow it down even a little bit more. Okay. That's about as low a flame as I can get on it. Okay, when you smell it and it has a nice nutty smell to it, or about 3 minutes at high temperature, it's good. It definitely has that nutty smell I'm looking for. So we're going to turn the heat off on this and put it onto a piece of parchment or a container, stainless steel container or something, whatever we're going to store it in. Oh yes, it definitely has that odor of kind of a nutty smell to it. Okay, well, we've cooked our roux. Oh, I'm gonna make like a little log to keep in the refrigerator out of this roux. Hey, watch this. This is pretty interesting. I just dumped the pan onto a piece of parchment. I'm gonna even it out, almost like I was gonna roll a cigar or something here. This side's a little skinnier than the other side. That's about right. Okay, just like you were gonna make compound butter, like shallots and garlic, and what you do is you take softened butter and you add flavoring to it. You put it in the parchment, and then you use something, push on it hard, and then it makes it perfectly round. Okay, this will go in the refrigerator. A nice log once the heat has come off a little bit more. Thanks for watching, students. That was our Blond Roux demo. See you in class later.